reaching for it. Don't reach for anything.
Do not go! Stay right there! Stay right there! Oh, I see it. I see it.
On May 20th, 2024, at 11:51 p.m., an officer approached a vehicle after spotting someone rolling what appeared to be marijuana, sparking an intense standoff over whether a medical marijuana card cancels out probable cause for a roadside investigation.
How you doing, sir?
Good. Is he rolling a joint?
He what?
Are you rolling marijuana right there in front of me?
So I got medicated weed, sir.
Where is that at?
Right here.
Where's your medical marijuana card?
They have a medical marijuana card. They do.
Okay, are you with that?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to throw it out? Hey, calm down. Do you want me to?
Do you have ID on you? 13 vehicle.
Okay, but what gave you a reason to come?
Back up now.
Me?
Yeah. No question. Back up.
No, my kids.
Okay, then grab your kids and...
We're going to ask him what's the proper call of this here.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so I asked you, did you want him to throw it out?
No, I want you to just do me a favor. Both of your hands up here.
I'm saying, what's the proper cause for this, sir?
It's in the car. Like, what?
You still ain't told me that. What's the proper cause for this here? Sir, what's the proper cause of you? Sir, what's the proper cause for this?
Ain't nothing in here, so you can stop flashing your light on me.
No, there's marijuana in here.
It's not marijuana in here. All he had was a bud of weed. That's it.
What? There's not marijuana. All you had is a bud of weed. And what is that? What's a bud of weed? Marijuana. Okay. So.
What's the name?
Yes, it's my car.
Don't reach for anything, bud. No, I just saw you reaching for it.
Do not go! Stay right there! Stay right there!
You're gonna get tased.
Taser! Taser!
Man, what you doing?
Hey, what
What are you doing?
Stay where you at!
Back up!
Get back now!
Put your hand behind your back.
I am. Give us some units now.
Back up, back up. Back up.
Y'all be his face.
All right,
But
fine.
why y'all doing that?
Okay. Listen, back
But why
up.
y'all doing that? We ain't
Handle
running
the
our business.
Hey, back up!
Go ahead,
We
back
ain't
up.
running
They'll
our
tell you right
business.
now.
We
Back up.
came here to get food.
Man,
We don't take all that. No.
Listen, back up.
Stop resisting!
Put your hand behind your back.
How is he resisting? Hey, don't touch me, sir. Hey, I'm standing right here.
Stop resisting!
Do not move. Right here.
Do not move!
I'm standing right here. What are you doing?
Keep moving before you go to jail. Don't move. Don't move.
10-15 her ass! Cover her! 10-15 her!
For what? For what? I'm pregnant. What you doing?
It don't matter, you don't know
It
that.
does. For what?
Do not move. Do not move.
Okay,
Do not move.
ma'am, I'm bleeding.
Okay.
I was standing right here. No.
This is my purse. Can I have my purse?
You can get your purse. Here.
I was standing right here.
Breathe, just calm down.
And I just asked y'all, what's y'all problem?
Detain her! Stop!
Stop moving.
I'm not moving.
Here.
Oh my God.
Hey, do you need her for anything?
She's not doing.
Listen, right now.
Like, seriously.
The officer, go inside.
And I said, wait, can I talk?
I'll tell you right now.
Hush, I got you. Hush.
Go inside.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
You got a call?
Yeah.
What I'm being
Turn
arrested
around.
for?
Turn around.
What am I being
Turn
arrested
around.
for?
Turn around. We'll advise.
Because I was minding my
I'll
business.
talk to the officer. I'll talk to the officer, all right?
That's not right,
You got
sir.
nothing on you, right?
I don't have anything, sir. But that's not right. I only asked a question. Did I not?
Let me get all right.
You got it? Go, go, go. Go.
I didn't even do anything.
There's a sergeant.
And that's my card.
It's okay.
Did I not ask a question, though?
Any IDs or anything like that?
No, sir, I do not. My purse is in the car. You see what he did?
She ain't going to jail. She ain't doing that. Hey, Willie. I know, I got it. Hey, Willie, call out people, Willie.
I got him. Watch that.
Make sure you pat him down.
That's not right,
You
sir.
need AC back here?
I do, sir.
Okay, I got
And
you.
please, listen. Don't close the door on me, sir. I'm trying to
We gotta
talk.
close the door. We gotta
Wait,
close the
we
door, all
gotta
right?
get the sergeant. Hold on. Hey, you recorded everything?
Stop!
Get in your car and back up, please.
It's crazy.
So do I have to leave? 'Cause
You
I
have to
ordered-
leave. Back
I
up.
ordered food. That's what
Then back up.
I ain't doing that.
Bro, you need to stop.
I'm on my knees, sir.
Stop!
Okay. Whatever y'all
What's the
want to
problem, bro?
do. Whatever y'all want to do. I ain't going over. I ain't doing that.
Now you just got another felony. Destroying evidence.
I ain't never shot you. Ma'am, I have a bad
Okay.
knee. Like, y'all.
Okay, so you can sit on your bottom.
Hold on, let me get it back.
Hey, I got blood on me.
We gotta take pictures, okay?
My knee is messed
Okay.
up, ma'am. I'm trying.
Right there under. He was trying to kick it under.
My knee is open. That's what I'm saying. I didn't even do anything.
Hey, just 14, she's bleeding on that.
Yeah, I know.
That's all I can ask is, do y'all want my ID? I have license. What is going on?
The interaction violently boiled over when an officer saw someone reach for an object, leading to a taser deployment and the chaotic arrest of the occupants, including a pregnant woman who required emergency medical assistance.
You need me to search her? No, I'm gonna search her first. Huh?
Yeah, but you guys do not run up to us. I gave you.
I didn't run up to you,
Listen,
sir.
did I not give you verbal command to remain in the vehicle?
Sir, I stayed in the vehicle. Yes, I did. I came right here and asked you what was going on.
Who got tased, her?
My sister got tased. I grabbed my sister away from you guys. I didn't do anything. I grabbed my sister because my sister was walking up to him.
But she failed to comply?
And I told her to move back.
Yeah, that's the reason she's getting arrested.
Okay, but why am I being arrested?
You're being detained right now. The other female, for sure. Yeah, she ran up on me. I deployed my taser on the other female and him.
Excuse me, what is going on?
Come on, I need to search you.
What is going on?
You take the seatbelt off?
Yes, I did.
Okay, nobody told you to do that. Come on, let's go. Get out. Step right here.
I need to know what's going on, man.
Okay, they'll advise.
Hey, we have to get her to the hospital, all right?
That's why I grabbed her. So what y'all taking me?
First of all, I was cooperating.
All right, step right here. You have anything on you that could poke me?
No, I don't.
All right, separate your feet from me, please. Separate. Thank you.
I don't understand. What's the problem?
You said you advised you're pregnant, correct?
Yes, I did.
Okay,
So what's
just
the
hold on.
problem?
Just watch out. Watch out. Let me. No, separate your feet. I didn't tell you to move, ma'am.
Hey, why don't you do me a favor? Why don't you do me a favor?
What is going on? Like, literally, what is going on? I have the right to know.
Stop moving, ma'am. Please.
Why don't you just chill out for right now?
Yeah, you want to transport?
Okay,
All right, I'm gonna transfer the male, you transfer the female.
please get back
You're
on
all being arrested, okay?
For what?
You're being arrested for resisting.
Instead of raising your voice, and I'll explain it to you in a second, because you raising your voice not going to work. Thank you.
Get your purse. What is it?
I'm not resisting. I'm asking
Right now,
where's my
you're
purse?
resisting. Get in the vehicle.
I'm not. I didn't resist for anything.
Get back to the vehicle.
Where's my purse?
Please get in the
Get
vehicle.
in the vehicle, ma'am.
Get
I
in the
have the
vehicle.
right to ask where's my belongings.
Get in the
Go
vehicle.
get
we
your
advise you.
belongings. Get in the vehicle.
It's
Let's
not
go.
right.
Get in the vehicle,
Get in the
please.
vehicle.
Hey, who's in that car?
The girl.
The pregnant one?
female?
Just the female.
Take her to the hospital. Just go. Not wait for medics. Just go.
Sit back, ma'am.
So you don't have a right to tell me what's going on.
He just advised you what's going on. You were resisting.
I didn't resist of anything.
Okay.
She just detained her because she was in the midst of it.
I'm sorry. I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm just trying to take the cuffs off.
No, she didn't come approach me.
So we can
It was the other
handcuff her?
female. Correct,
Yeah.
yes.
We're taking them off.
I'm not trying to hurt you. Stop doing that. I know. Stop. Thank you.
Oh, give me a second call.
Hey, I saw the holster. Inquire
She said she had a gun, but they took it.
All I know, they whipped up. They went to yoking him out the car. Then Bree was trying to stop them from tasing him, and that's why they took her.
I have a quick question for you, and you don't have to answer, but she got your blood on her. Do you have any diseases that you would like to let her know about?
No.
Okay, I just wanted to know.
No.
All right, man. We'll get checked out by medics.
Like, how can you do that?
Okay, thank you.
I don't get in trouble. I don't do all that crazy shit. I don't know what the is going on.
Honestly, neither do I. You saw
I
one.
just want to go home, bro. I don't get in trouble. I don't even know what's going on.
How can you do that?
You want to step up?
Following the arrests on May 20th, 2024, the suspects were processed at the county jail while the dynamic roadside incident was thoroughly documented in the police logs. What began as a late-night observation of someone rolling what appeared to be marijuana quickly escalated into a chaotic scene when the driver's movements inside the cabin prompted officers to deploy a taser, fearing someone was reaching for a weapon. In court, the defense heavily emphasized the occupant's possession of a valid medical marijuana card and questioned the physical escalation that followed. However, the prosecution relied on the body camera footage to show the sudden movements inside the vehicle that led to the split-second deployment of the taser. The judge reviewed the evidence, including the emergency medical check conducted on scene for the detained pregnant woman. While the initial drug charges were heavily debated due to the medical card, the charges for resisting an officer were upheld due to the physical non-compliance during the extraction. The individuals involved were ultimately ordered to complete community service, placed on probation, and required to pay associated court costs. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.